शहबाज शरीफ की चार्ल्स सोम की सालगिरह की तकरीब में शिरकत, इस मौके पर वो खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Terrorism remains a grave threat to global peace and stability. With its valiant armed forces and resilient people, Pakistan stands united and determined to confront and defeat this scourge in all its forms and manifestations. Dear guests, tonight, as we celebrate His Majesty's birthday, I recall my fond memories of the grand coronation ceremony that I attended personally 2 years ago. Moreover, last year in September, I received a warm telephone call from His Majesty and we exchanged views on a wide range of issues. The Pakistan-UK multifaceted partnership would not be where it is today without the personal interest and patronage of the royal family. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we also celebrate the enduring friendship between Pakistan and the UK. Nearly 2 million British citizens of Pakistani heritage add great value to this relationship and are playing a very proactive role in all walks of life back in the UK. Thousands of young Pakistanis have benefited from the programs run by the British Council in Pakistan, while thousands more have studied in British colleges and universities. And I am personally witness to one of the finest programs which was undertaken between DFID and the government of Punjab. When I was heading Punjab province, it was a program which was in education, health, skill development, and of course primary health care. And it was a program, I think it was one of the finest in the recent decades all over the globe. And that was a great partnership, and I'm sure this is multiplying as I speak in all the provinces of Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, we recall with deep appreciation the numerous royal visits to Pakistan, including His Majesty's visit in 2006, as well as the historic visit of Queen Elizabeth II. I would like to reiterate my most cordial invitation to His Majesty King Charles III and Her Majesty the Queen to visit Pakistan at their earliest convenience. High Commissioner, you have contributed meaningfully and in a wonderful way to promote our bilateral relations. And I'd like to thank you for your personal commitment and for your outstanding efforts in this behalf. And of course, your important role in the revival of PIA flights to the UK. I think thousands of passengers who fly to Manchester from Pakistan, and soon they will fly to London. They will always remember your role. In the end, I would like to once again convey my best wishes and prayers for His Majesty's continued good health, happiness, and long reign. While the candles on the cake grow in number each year, we pray that His Majesty will continue to inspire the world with his humor, humanity, and heart. Long live Pakistan-UK friendship.